Hey, welcome back to Truck Trends. Beautiful Hartford here. Leach's Trucks, Eric Dobbie with your Truck Trends tip of the week. Bringing great thanks to Atko Bros Landscaping, all right? This is a beautiful truck. It's about truck number 4 we're selling them, repeat customer. I want to thank Brett Atkinson. If you need anything done with your landscaping down in Fairfield County, or you need wood for the winter, give him a call. All right, look at this beautiful. This is an NRR Isuzu Crew Cab, 14-foot dump with a swinging door. You gotta love it. Brett, I love you. Brett, I appreciate you. That's your Truck Trends tip of the week with Eric in beautiful Hartford, Connecticut, giving kudos to another happy customer. Thank you very much.